Ella and Max rummaged through the attic, their giggles resonating with the creaks of the old house. They stumbled upon a box labeled, "Mom and Dad's Keepsakes," filled with treasures perfect for their afternoon game of grown-ups. Armed with a floral hat and oversized blazer for Ella, and a tie plus a clunky wristwatch for Max, they transformed the treehouse into their own miniature home. The first order of business was a morning meeting. "Good morning, I'm off to work now," Max announced, gripping an old briefcase. He strutted around the tree, pretending it was his office, busily meeting imaginary clients and shaking hands with tea. Ella, meanwhile, set up a little kitchen corner with plastic cups and plates. "I'll make dinner. Tonight, we're having mud pie deluxe," she declared, carefully scooping dirt and leaves into the plates with a seriousness that mirrored her mom's culinary dedication. After their playful workday, they convened at the plush couch, a stack of pillows by the wooden ladder. Ella scribbled on a notepad, planning their pretend vacation. Max, always the numbers guy, calculated their budget using a toy calculator. Dinner was a laughter-filled affair, with pretend gestures of dining elegance while munching on their sandwiches brought from home. As the sky changed hues, Max proposed a toast with his juice box. "To the best grown-ups ever. We should probably clean the dishes." Day later, spraying water with her tiny watering can. "Oh no, the dishwasher is broken again," Max sighed dramatically, just like his dad did last week. Giggles turned to hearty laughter as they abandoned their roles for a moment, simply reveling in the joy of play. As they left the attic, stepping back into the shoes of children, the treehouse remained, a little nook of the world where adulthood could be tried on and taken off, like a pair of much too large shoes.